Hey everyone! Where? Oh. This is a cool fire truck. And I'm thankful for firefighters and fire truck and fire station so they could keep me safe. It's very good. Hi!
Hi, how's it going?
Very good.
I like the phone case.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden Jeff. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jeff.
Checking out the truck?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Right on. You want to look inside?
Of course.
Oh, awesome.
When I grow up, yeah.
Here, you want to see where the captain sits? That's where the boss sits.
Wow. This is what it looks like inside. It would be more fun if I was blowing the horn. It would be fun if I pulled a chain. Alright, hi. Alright, guess what? I'm gonna do the bell.
Julie, hi, Julie. You guys having a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
Of course.
I have a lot of people. Now let's check out the back.
Yeah, go ahead. Just watch the door. It's a little heavy.
Oh my gosh. They got groceries.
Watch your step, okay? Be careful. What do you think?
Very good.
Cool.
It feels comfortable. Then I put on my seatbelt getting ready for a call. Because we got another one, engine 98. Hello? Hello? Hello?
What's up, buddy?
Very good?
How you doing, dude?
Very good.
Good. Lux?
Yeah. Ready to check out the truck.
Nice, dude. You having a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Already gonna invite some people over to my house.
Nice.
Oh, can I ring the bell?
Yeah, did you guys eat there?
That was loud.
That was a good one. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks.
See you, buddy. Take care.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Take care.
Bye! That was very cool.